It's almost fall here in Calgary, and while a lot of us are still clinging on to those last days of summer, it's actually the perfect time to start planting next year's garlic crops. If after you're done planting, you still have garlic on the mind or on your breath, why not try one of these 4 extra strange uses for garlic? Did you know that you can use garlic to make glue? The sticky stuff inside those bulbs works wonderfully on delicate craft projects that involve materials like glass. If you're having trouble with aphids in your garden, you can protect the blooms and the leaves by spritzing a mixture of crushed garlic and water. Strangely enough, garlic is recommended by some fishermen as a really good attractant for many different types of fish. Just roll up a ball of bait, cover in garlic, and test your luck. Right in time for Halloween, you can use garlic to ward off all sorts of the occult. Witches, vampires, werewolves, be gone. Just rub on your doorways, keyholes, and chimneys, and you'll be safe this Halloween. And now we're lucky enough to have our resident horticulturalist, Kath, here to give us more information on growing garlic in Calgary.
One of my favorite uses that I have heard of, I myself have never tried it, is athlete's foot and garlic. And one of my acquaintances was an athlete. He played football on the university football team, and he could clear a room with his shoes, and it wasn't from the fact that the shoes smelled, it was because his mom made him a garlic oil to go on his feet to cure the athlete's foot. Apparently he was the only one who never had athlete's foot. It also is a pollinator attractant, so I believe that you should put, and I did have a friend who used to carry a clove of garlic in her pocket, and I always said, "What's that for?" She says, "It's my luck." Aww. My lucky piece.